Hi guys, today we will create a cool user interface material. It will be a health bar. If you can see in the subtitles, this is what we will create. Uh, let's just head straight into it. Go to your Unreal Engine. I'm using Unreal Engine 5.3. Make a material. I'm gonna call it material underscore health bar and HP bar drop or something. It's not really uh, yeah, doesn't really matter what you call it. Then at the details, we're gonna set our user interface to the material domain, and we're also gonna make it a masked object. Now, right now, what we will do is we're gonna create a radiant and gradient exponential, and we're also gonna saturate it. So what will this do? First, we just set this one in. Actually, we're gonna set it in the final color. You see what we do. We create a simple circle. But we're not done yet, guys. We're also make a density because we want it sharp. It's kind of faded out. We do not want it. So I'm gonna set it to 100, and that will be plugged in the density, and it's 100. If you can see, we have a beautiful circle. But this is not what we want. We're first gonna set this in the opacity mask. Now control and copy this, and perfect. Put this all the way down here. We will not use this anymore. Just put it down there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this, and we're gonna create a constant to factor, and set this to 0.5 by 0.5. And we will plug the main channel in the center position. Right now you will not see anything yet. Actually you will. Here, perfect, you see a circle. But now we're gonna multiply this, saturate with yeah, we're just gonna multiply it. There we go. We do not want anything in there yet, and actually let's keep it on here. Then we're gonna create our waves. This is what we actually want. So we're gonna create a texture coordinate. You can hold U and press left click. There you go. And you can divide it. And we're gonna put this actually in the B. And with what we're gonna divide it, you will see we're gonna divide it with our own parameter called the HP. Create it by holding S, and I'm gonna call it HP. Boom, and plug that in here. Now what will the default value be? I say 0.3. That will be a nice default value. Set this on here. Yes, perfect. Now we're gonna add some more things at the divide. We want a -1, so we're gonna invert it, and we're also gonna add perfect. It's loading, yeah. Okay, so actually let's just copy this. Never mind, we just copy this one, and we're gonna give it a mask. All the way down here, a vector ops component mask, and we want only the red channel. So get this away, and we're also gonna use a node called time. And this will go after we add. Hold A, left click, there you go. Perfect. So, and now we're gonna use a sign. And if you can see here, you can actually see the results, what we have here. And now you can multiply it with our own parameter, and this will be our wave height. So call it wave height. There you go. I'm gonna set it to 0.1. I recommend not too high, otherwise you got really aggressive waves. You want nice smooth waves. And that's all it. If I start previewing it, you get this. This is not a wave, but this is actually our great start, because we will make the wave around. Now we're gonna add a few more things. This will be inserted in this, and we're gonna need another mask. I'm just gonna copy this one, and this will be a green channel, because if you can see in here, convert, never mind, start previewing, you have this. What did I press? Okay, yeah, this is the red channel. This is not what we want. If we start previewing it here, you got this, and if we start previewing the green channel, there you go, we got nice waves. That's the reason why we want this. I'm actually gonna stop reviewing it. So perfect. Now we're gonna use our step node. Step node, and this is well perfect. And we're also gonna put this in the HB in here. What this is gonna do, if we start previewing the node, we're gonna make it a bit nicer. If you can see, it's right now inverted, but don't worry, we're gonna use node 1 minus. So yeah, we're gonna put it just back how it was originally. Then we're gonna subtract it with nothing. Actually, never mind, we're just gonna multiply this, and now we're gonna find our node. I think it's around here. We got this saturate, we can delete this. We're gonna put this in here. Perfect. Let's start previewing it. There you go. This is actually perfectly what we wanted. This is already close to what we have. Now we're gonna need some more extra things, and that will be the last thing, and that will be a color. And so we're gonna hold 3, give it a nice green color. Let's just say here, perfect. This not really nice color, but who cares? And we're gonna multiply it with this, and this will be our final color. There you go, you have a nice droplet right now. Okay guys, so it's done. If we put 0.3, we have a very nice waves, as you can see. But there's one more thing. When we put in here 0.4, for example, we get this ugly waves that we obviously do not want. So this is because of in here. Actually, let's just disable this, and we're gonna put 0.3. Let's just set 0.2 or 0.1 even. That is more nice. Gonna apply this, and you can now see that it works perfectly fine. Hey guys, one more thing that I actually forgot in here. You know, this node in here, just radial gradient exponential. Just put the radius around 0.45 nodes. Yeah, see.